Mid-meeting, your stomach roars. Why does your stomach growl? It's staging a hungry orchestra, and it's a loud show. First, it's your gut's workout. Your stomach and intestines churn food with muscles, creating bubbles of gas and liquid. Studies show these movements, called peristalsis, make noises when air gets trapped. Ever hear a rumble before lunch? That's your gut practicing. But hunger's the loudest conductor. When your stomach's empty, hormones like ghrelin signal your brain, cranking up muscle contractions. Scientists say this sweeps leftovers, but trapped air amplifies the growl like a burp's bossy cousin. Ever notice louder rumbles when you're stressed? Anxiety spikes those hormones, turning up the volume. Here's the twist. Growling's normal, not just hunger. Digestion, gas, or even water can spark it, lasting seconds. So snack smart, sip slowly, your gut's just chatting. What's your why? Drop it in the comments, smash subscribe, and let's unravel more whys with stick figures. Catch you next time!